That's your BFF.
She always keep it real, always got your back. The mother phony chickens, they talk behind your back, but not your
BFF. That's your BFF.
She even lie to your man. She don't never snitch. If a chick talk slick, she'll slap it.
So hi guys, I am back with another video, and I am starting off on this old crusty bun that I've been wearing for a few days. Yes, I know it looks absolutely crazy, but we are finna fix that, so stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my wide tooth comb and I'm going to part my hair straight down the middle, making sure that my part is as neat as I can get it. And I am making sure to be very gentle with my hair because I know it's tangled and everything. So yes, trying to take my time, make sure I don't pull my hair out. And I'm just parting my hair and pulling my hair apart very gently. Now the front of my hair is going to be pretty straight, but I ain't gonna make no promises that the back of my hair will be the same. So yeah, so I'm just gonna part my hair all the way down the middle. So this is the front and this is the back. So yeah, that's how that's looking. So what I'm gonna do next is put this side up right here into a bun until I'm ready to work on that side. So I'm showing you guys my hair before I get ready to add my products to it. So first I'm gonna go in with my water and I'm gonna mist my hair, making sure to get it drenched but not soaking wet so I could be able to work with it. Then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb again and I'm going to make a diagonal part in my hair for the design of my flat twist that I want to do. So I just take the part all the way down. Like I said, it ain't got to be perfect, but so after I do that, I put the other piece of hair up into a bun until I am ready to work with that piece. And then I just start working on the next section. So let's get started on this section. I'm taking my oil and I'm just gonna oil my scalp because like I tell you guys all the time, your scalp is very important because without a healthy scalp there is no healthy hair and no healthy hair growth. Next I'm going to go in with my spray bottle and I'm just going to wet that area so I'll be able to detangle my hair easily. Then I work the water through my hair. Then I take my wide tooth comb, starting from the ends, working my way up, gently detangling my hair. Then I'm going to go in with my Dark and Lovely All Natural Anti-Shrinkage Clumping Curl Cream, and I'm going to add that to that section. Y'all, I don't know what no dime size is. I'm not even one of those naturals. I like quarter size or big hand size. I use a lot of products on my hair. I'm very heavy handed with my products, so I don't know what a dime size is. So after I add that in my hair, I just go back in and I detangle some more, making sure to work the product in. Then I go in with my oil and I put that on top of my cream just to seal in my hair. Make sure it stays very moisturizing while I wear this protective style. You see my hair is very defined. Then I'm going to take my boar bristle brush and then I'm just going to brush my hair down, just slick it get it to lay how I'm gonna start twisting it. Then I'm going in with my toothbrush and bringing out my baby hairs, of course, because I'm that natural that cannot have a hairstyle without my baby hairs. I love my baby hairs. I have to slay my edges all the time. Then I'm going in with my XOXO gel olive oil. I absolutely love this stuff, hence why I got the big 1-liter container. And I'm just going to put that on the section, making sure when I put it on to smooth it out. Because when I begin to flat twist, I want my hair to be smooth and sleek. Then I'll go back in my bristle brush and I just brush everything down and everything and smoothing at the same time. And of course bringing my baby hairs back out. Then I'm going in with my wide tooth comb and just combing. Now I'm going to part a little section at the top of my hair to start off my flat twist. Of course I stay smooth in my hair. Then I'm going to split that section into two, and I try my best to make sure that when I split it, it's evenly split. And then I just start flat twisting. And if you guys want an in-depth review on how I flat twist my hair, I do have a video on my channel on how I flat twist my hair, so please go and check that out. So I'm just flat twisting my hair. As I flat twist, I grab pieces of hair and just add it into the flat twist. So like I said, if you want a more in-depth of how I do it, go and check out my flat twist video. And as I twist my hair, I make sure I detangle because I want my hair to be smooth. And once I get to the end of my hair, I like to add some oil to my hair just to seal in that moisture at the ends of my hair, because the ends of my hair are very dry. And then once I do that, I just twirl it around my fingers to get that nice little curl. And that is that. This is the first twist, you guys, and that is how that is looking. So on to the last twist, and as you can see, I've done majority of my hair. Everything looks nice and good, so I'm going to take down this last twist. Smoothing out the hair. Then I'm going to go in with my spray bottle and I'm just going to mist my hair, get it nice and damp, because I do not like to work with dry hair. I like to make sure my hair is evenly drenched. Then I work the water through my hair, making sure to check it and get it through my ends. And then I'm going to add some more water at the ends of my hair, and also I'm going to add some more water at the roots of my hair. So I want to make sure it's very easy to work with. And then I'm just going to work that into my hair like so, smoothing it out. And then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and I'm going to detangle my hair starting from the ends and working my way all the way up. And you want to be very gentle with your hair. It looks like I'm being rough, but I'm not. It's just sped up. But yes, I'm taking my time and detangling my hair, making sure to be very careful with my hair. Then I'm going in with my Dark and Lovely clump curls, and that is from the shrinkage collection. So I just put that in my hair and I work it through my hair, making sure to smooth the product through my hair. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of that and I'm going to add it to the ends of my hair, because the ends of my hair is very dry, so I would have to make sure I keep it very moisturized. So I'm just going to keep working it into my hair. Then I'm going to take my oil and I'm going to put that over the cream just to seal in the moisture in my hair, because as you guys know, I do have high porosity hair, so I got to make sure I keep the moisture locked into my hair. Then I'm going back in with my Y2 comb and I'm detangling, and at the same time making sure I work that product through my hair. Then I'm going in with my XOXO gel, and I'm just going to smooth that all throughout my hair. So I am just continuing to flat twist my hair, and as I flat twist, I make sure I detangle my hair to make sure that when I'm twisting, none of the hair get tangled. And I do make sure that I twist tightly because I'm going to keep this up a couple of more days as a protective style before I do wash day. So yes, I just grab and comb, grab and detangle. And I make sure when I'm grabbing and pulling, I'm smoothing as well because I want this to turn out very smooth and nice and neat. So yes, I just continue to grab hair and twist, and I twist very tightly and just continue. So it is time to slay these edges, you guys. I'm going to go in with my XOXO olive oil gel, and I'm just going to place those on my baby hair. Not too much, just enough to lay my baby hairs. And then I'm going in with my toothbrush, and I'm just going to lay these baby hairs for the guys. I'm going for a swoop look with my baby hairs with this style because this is a chic, elegant style. So I wanted to go for more of a swoop look for my edges, so that's what I'm doing, making sure everything neat and in place. And then I do my little side curl, little curl. I know how it's natural do it. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, just brushing out my baby hairs, making sure all of them are out. Then going in with my XOXO gel and placing it on my baby hairs. And then I'm going to go in and swoop these as well, making sure to get it exactly how I want them to lay. So yes, I'm just going in, laying those edges. Oh my God, they look so good. Yes, yes. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Yes, yes. Then I'm gonna do my little swirl twirl on this side. Just get it to curl. And that's to jazz up this style, you can add some gold clips and some hoop earrings. So that is the end of this video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, bye, Bells. See you guys in the next one. Bye.